Cryptocurrency prices are doing fantastic and things could get even better. And we've got some huge news surrounding a Dogecoin ETF. We're going to talk a little bit about that in this video, what it could mean for future ETFs, what it could mean for meme coins, and why I believe prices could explode. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, the Rex Osprey launching their XRP and Dogecoin ETFs. They are now trading, and just to show you that they are trading, you guys can see that here. Go to your broker if you would like, but take a look at this. I gotta find the button right here. Here it is. This is the Dogecoin ETF, currently trading at about $26, and as you can see, it doesn't have as much volume as one would hope for. But the volume's actually not bad. It's trading at 26.46 right now, down about 0.22% on the day today. The open was around 26.53, the high was 26.66, and the low was 26.20. Now, with total shares traded so far of around 254,000, it's actually looking very good in its first day. But I believe that this signifies so much more than just this Dogecoin ETF. This is the start of what meme coins could know and what meme coins could see as the beginning of their acceptance, the beginning of the major rally. So let's go on. Let's talk a little bit about what this article is saying and then what we believe could happen from here. It says the joint ventures ETFs were filed under the Investment Company Act of 1940, bypassing SEC delays and expanding investor access to crypto assets. So some of the key takeaways. Rex Osprey introduced the first US-listed spot ETFs tied to XRP and Dogecoin. Filing under the 1940 Act allowed the funds to bypass traditional SEC approval delays. Rex Osprey, a partnership between Rex Shares and Osprey Funds, today launched the first US-listed spot ETFs providing direct exposure to XRP and Dogecoin. The new exchange-traded funds allow investors to gain exposure to XRP, a digital currency created by Ripple Labs for fast international transfers, and Dogecoin, a meme-inspired digital asset without directly owning the underlying cryptocurrencies. Guys, we have a Dogecoin ETF. This isn't being celebrated the way that it should be celebrated. This is just the beginning. Imagine, when you see a Bitcoin ETF, right? Bitcoin's sitting at $117,511 with a $2.3 trillion market cap. Now, it's nice to have billions of dollars in inflows and a $2.3 trillion asset. It does. It makes it go up 10, 15, 20%. Imagine if we have billions of dollars in inflows and a $40 billion asset. Now, all of a sudden, we're talking about the potential to double, triple, or even more. ETF and institutional exposure is changing the game for cryptocurrencies. There was a point in time when it was wild to think that a US-listed company could reach $1 trillion in market cap. Now look at how many of them are out there. Imagine if the same thing is true for cryptocurrency. Guys, this could be the absolute beginning. And because of that, I am buying. Yes, I own Dogecoin, I do own XRP, but I'm also interested in tiny little tokens like Maxi Doge. Now, you've got a link down in the description where you can research Maxi Doge and get all of the information on it. It's going to pull you up to this website right here. From there, you can check out just how easy it is to connect your wallet and so on. But what I'm interested in is the community and the growth. $2.3 million sold just in the last couple of weeks. Their community is growing very quickly, just over 4,000 followers out on their X account with huge exposure. This post alone has 223,000 views. It is amazing what this crypto is doing. But on top of that, it takes advantage of the Dogecoin name at a time when Dogecoin could be set to lead meme coins higher. So I want to know what you guys think about it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.